Yeah, this Trading Disciple. About to kick it off here. All right, so we got the. Well, first off, remember this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Trade at your own risk. Having said that, we've got a. See, this is the structure coming down here. We're getting ready for the 8 o'clock open, Tokyo Open. So this is my setup. We got a downtrending structure type thing here. We got a break, Tory trend line break. Remember Tory trend lines. And then we got a 5 minute candle close above the 9. That's my setup. So we are. I'm not sure. I normally target 10 points, but I might just target the top of these highs here. But we're going to see if Japan is going to push this gold. Now, gold had a big dump today. I'm going to switch to the 1 hour. See, look at this. 9 a.m. around the New York Open, gold just dumped today. So we're pretty bearish. We're down like 2% since 9 o'clock. It's almost 8 o'clock. It's almost Japanese Tokyo Open here. See what Tokyo's going to do with this. Are they going to pump it? Come on, Tokyo. You know you want to pump this price. We are in a. Oh, see, they heard me. They're like, okay, 20 seconds to open. We're already up 2.7 points. We're almost up 3 points already. And the liquidity hasn't even dropped. 10 seconds. You know, people might be targeting these highs here. It might bounce off of it. There's the open. There it is. What are they going to do? Let's tighten up this stop. I'm in 5 micros. Put my risk down, risking 125 here. My full risk right now, 5 points would be 250. Oh, is Tokyo going to dump it? Man, what's Tokyo going to do? Are they going to pump it or are they going to dump it? Yeah, I in the night sessions, I don't like to trade anymore from 6 to 8 Eastern because there's just not enough liquidity to move the price 10 points. So I trade from like 8 to 10 Eastern because you got Japanese coming in at 8. We got another market opening at 9. You got more players entering the market. Okay, they're doing a little pump. They're doing a little pump here. Will it go to my full TP? I'm not sure. Oh, it's pumping. We're up 5 points now, ladies and gentlemen. Is it gonna see now? I'm nervous about it. This resistance here, it might reject and reverse. I'm thinking about just taking 5 points because it might just. We are bearish. Oh, this is the top of a range, and we might have just missed our 5 points. Maybe I should have just taken 5 points. You know what? Oh, it's reversing. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna go break even. It's. Oh no! It got up there. It got hugely rejected. I really don't like that rejection. I really don't like that rejection. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out at break even. Huge rejection there. We lost $3.60. Man, I was up. I was up 5 points. Dang. Yeah, they huge rejection there at 440.11. Yeah, we should have just gone for 5 points there. Dang. See, that was my concern. I thought it would get rejected off of this resistance, and it got rejected right before that. And everything's looking bearish now. Now it's about to close below the 9 EMA. So does that mean we short? Look at this structure. What is going on here? We got resistance here. We got support level here. We got an overall bearish trend. I mean, look at this. Since last week, we've been going down, down, down. And then if you look at gold on the daily, well, you can't really see it that well on here. Well, I got so many lines going on here. This is gold on the daily? Oh no, this is it. Here it is. This is gold on the daily. We've been, January, we had that crazy spike up and down, blow off top. And it's been going down since March 2nd. Downtrend for months: March, April, May, June, July. We're around that $4,000 psychological level. Wow, what a rejection on the gold. Dang. What a rejection. Is this 5-minute candle about to close? Oh my gosh, you know what? We might short this. Look at this huge candle. I should have taken my 5 points and run. So now we're getting a close. I'm thinking about taking a breakdown trade. This is so bearish. But of course it could bounce here. Now it's at a support level. We could bounce up. What a candle. Look at this candle. 12-point candle at the Tokyo Open. It pushed up at the beginning and then it just dumped. I didn't take my profits soon enough. You never know when to take profits. Take them too soon, it keeps going. Take them too late, it reverses. It's just, you never know. Is it going to break this support level? That's the question. We're in a downtrend, spike up.
Order filled.
Well, I guess we're, or it could, hopefully it doesn't sweep the lows and then come back up, but this is really bearish here. Oh, maybe we'll just chill here. Or maybe I should take my 5 points I should have gotten earlier. Okay, we got a level here that it could bounce off of. Yeah, we've definitely got a level here. You know what? Let's go for 5 points. Let's go for a 1-to-1 trade. Don't do it. Don't sweep the lows and then reverse up. Don't do that to me. Gold. This is just selling. Let's see. I'm gonna check on my other screens what Nasdaq's doing. Nasdaq did the same thing. It pumped up and then now it's kind of finding support. Yeah, I'm not sure about this. It could find support. I'm going to take 5 points. Oh, whoa! Okay, got 5 points. Wow, that was That was a stop hunt. People had their stop loss. Oh my gosh! What's happening? Is it just everything is just dumping? Okay. Should I chase it? Oh my gosh. That was a huge stop hunt. All these people's stop losses got liquidated right here. You know what? Let's just stay out. It's a little volatile right now. So I got my 5 points that I missed earlier. So I'm happy with that. Holy macaroni. Holy wow. That was quite a liquidation there. That was, oof. Just swept the lows. How far did that go? 8, almost 9 points. Man, some crazy markets. And then look at NASDAQ. NASDAQ kind of did the same thing. It pushed up, and then 8 o'clock open, pushed up a little, and then it's at the lows. NASDAQ wants to break these lows. Do we have any news? British Consortium. I don't know. Wait, this is gold? No, this is NASDAQ. I don't trade NASDAQ. It's too jumpy and wicky for me. Oh, wow. Now we got a humongous bounce. Oh, wow. Look at this volatility. Look at this beautiful volatility. Look at that wick. That's insane. Just gold just swept. And then now it's... Holy moly. This is some... Oh, it just bounced 10 points. 11 points. Bounce. What a bounce here. Sheesh. Sheesh. We're getting some volatility. You know what? I'm only going to take my A plus setup. That was an A plus setup, but it only went 5 points. And then we took the breakdown of this low. We got 5 points out of it. That's cool. Oh, we are bounced. Look at this hammer candle. Huge hammer candle. That's insane. So we pushed up, we pushed down, and now we're just chilling. This is wild. Okay, NASDAQ's pumping right now. Yep, NASDAQ found support. I kind of watch both. Just see, well, look at this. NASDAQ found support and it's pumping. Look at this NASDAQ pump. Holy moly, this is a wild market tonight. Holy. I'm not going to chase it. I'm not going to chase it. See, look, I'm going to switch to my practice account. Let's look what happens when I chase it.
Order filled.
Practice account. I'm going to try to chase this long. Oh, wait, I thought it was going up. Every time I try to chase it, it comes back on me. See? This NASDAQ is insane. You never know. Oh, they're still going. Never mind. Sometimes it works. Let's go for 25 points on the practice account with the NASDAQ. Oh, no. See what I'm telling you? This is why I do not trade NASDAQ. Here's a 1-to-1 trade. 25 points. 5 micros. Practice. See, I was trying to chase this long, but nope. Watch it get stopped out. Total insanity. You know what? I don't even care. I don't even care what happens over there. I'm watching gold. We're about to close above the 9 again after a humongous bounce. 15-point bounce. Do we want to get this close above the 9? That's my strategy. Candle close above, but it's close below. This is kind of a reversal candle. It doesn't always happen, but that means the sellers were weak. The buyers bought it all the way back up. Buyers came in strong. Yeah. We're kind of mellowing out here. I don't know. This is pretty wild. I'm gonna chill here. Oh, Nasdaq. Oh, it is going. Okay. Are you doing 25 points? Well, I did get. I could have got 18. Yeah, it looks like Nasdaq's topping out here. Yeah, it's topping out. Yeah, see, that's what happens when you try to chase along when it's pumping. It always reverses when I decide to get in. I do not trade Nasdaq. Stop me out. Come on, Nas. Practice account. Oh! Nope. See, I wanted it to stop me out, but it said nope, I'm pumping. This Nasdaq is crazy, man. I don't know. What's gold doing? Okay, gold tried to close above the 9, but it failed. So I'd say, oh, I won on the Nasdaq trade. Man, I should have traded that on my evaluation. Dang, it's still going. Yeah, it came down, almost stopped me out, came back up 25 points. Huh. Well, that's interesting. I don't know. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I trade gold better. That's why we're doing this channel. There's not a lot of people do gold exclusively. So up 250 on the practice account, up 237 on the Top Step Combine evaluation here. Got my risk limit at 500. Profit target 1500 because that's 50% consistency rule. Goal is 3000. Okay. Yeah. We did well. We did pretty good last night. 471 last night. On this new combine we just started this week. Okay, now we got a doji candle. We got a hammer and then a doji. Is it going to break this again? I'm not going to take the break this time. I'm not sure. It's not my setup. Sometimes I take support breaks. Let's take it on the practice account. We're not going to be serious about this one. 5 micros. Yeah, go. See if I would have won. Let's go 5 points. 10 points. I don't know. Maybe I should take this on the eval. Yeah, I'm really not confident in this. That's why I'm doing it in the practice account. 5 points, either direction. We're doing a 1-to-1 trade here. I really think I might wait till the next market open at 9 Eastern to make my next trade. I made one trade, 250 up. If I could, one more win would be awesome. I'd like just one win. I'm trying to only take A+ setups only, even though my last trade was just a breakdown of that level, and it just went. Here's another breakdown of this level, but I don't think it's going to have the same volatility as it had at the market open, Japan Open. Man, we just look at this swing at 8 o'clock Tokyo Open. It just swang in either direction. 21 points. Went up, came all the way down 21 points. Now it's back up, and then now it's going down again. So this got rejected off of the 9 EMA and the VWAP. Orange is VWAP, red is the 9 EMA on my chart. Yeah, see, this is why I didn't take this short on my evaluation. It's just kind of messing around. It'll kind of drift around, and who knows what it's gonna do. I think I might wait till 9 for my next trade, serious trade for the Japan Open. But we are bearish today. Overall, let's switch to TradingView. The 4-hour chart down. July, we got a bounce, and then it's coming down to this level here. This is a huge level on gold. What is this? 3976. It's kind of right now. It's at the psychological level of 4,000. But this is a big level here. This is a serious level. 976. You think it can? I wonder if it can get there tonight. 23 points. Or it could just bounce here, or it could come down and bounce again. Okay, 1-hour chart. We're in a down. See, we're in a downtrend since Thursday night. Thursday at 1 p.m. Thursday, Friday, Sunday night. Now Monday night. It's pretty bearish overall. So the safe trade would be a short in this market here. But sometimes in Asia we'll get kind of a bounce, but it will be short-lived and it'll just roll over. 30-minute. Oh, I forgot to look at the stochastics. So the 4-hour stochastics. This is order filled. What? Oh, come on. My gold short won on my practice account. Oh my gosh. See? Oh, I should have taken that. We just got 5 points off of the practice account. Dang. I wasn't even watching. I was doing market analysis. Yeah, it's down 6 from that kind of support, broke through, came back up, kind of support, and then broke again. So shorts are a safe bet tonight. So we've got 2 5-point winners on our practice account. Up 492 there. We got 1 5-point winner on here. I normally go for 10 points, but this market maybe should only go for 5 right now. I'd like to get just at least one more solid trade. Now it's bouncing. One more solid trade tonight. Yeah, so 4-hour stochastics look like they want to swing up. 1 hour smash to the ground. It'll swing up eventually. Daily looking 30-minute swinging down. 15-minute, I don't know. 5 minutes swinging down. So, yeah. My setup has to, see, this was my setup. Stochastics were at the bottom, but it closed above the 9, and it didn't go very far. I mean, last night, every close crossing the 9, it went 10 points. Sunday night. This one only went 5.9. Well, look at this close. I should have taken this close below the 9. That went 10 points. Dang, I could have got a 10-point banger off of that. I missed that. Oh well. That's why my strategy is so good back testing, but live forward testing, it's a little tougher. I mean, I've back tested this strategy for months. Okay, we're just breaking down. Okay, next level would be this bounce, this wick here. What's over here? Looking for levels. We're looking for levels. Oh, we got levels over here. We got this level it could bounce off of, and we got this level it could bounce off of from June 26th. Holy crap, that's a while ago. Weeks ago. But we are bearish tonight. So I'm not seeing a trade. I don't want to try to chase this short. That's dangerous. So I'm going to pause the video until I can find another trade. Okay, so we had a candle close above the 9 here. I didn't take it. I got in way late. I'm like 5 points late. I should have taken this. That was my setup. Candle closed above the 9, but see this was short-lived and it came right back down. And so that could happen again. So I'm risking 250 right now. I'm only going for 5 points because I got in so late. We're going for the top of this wick here. Man. And it's looking like it wants to just blast through this wick. Let's not be greedy. I'm in late. Oh my gosh. Is it gonna... Oh my gosh. Is it gonna keep going? We could trail it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There it goes. Okay, we made another 5-pointer right there. I got in way late. Oh my gosh, and it's still going. So it closed above the 9. I hesitated. I didn't take the... I got in late, and it's still going. And my normal take profit is 10 points. And look at that. It went 10 points. See, my strategy works. It's just I'm working on the execution right now. See, if I would have executed this candle close below the 9, this is showing up every night in gold. I'm telling you. Candle close below the 9. At 8 o'clock, after the Tokyo, it went almost... No. How far did it go? And I go for 10 points. It went 11 points. If I would have executed perfectly, I would have got a 10-point winner. And here, it's still going. Oh, I told myself don't be greedy. Man, look at that. And then we got a candle close above the 9 here. It just keeps happening over and over in gold on the 5-minute. I'm telling you. At the Asia market, look, now it's up 12 points. If I would have executed perfectly with a long here, that would have been 10 plus points. That's 2 wins right there. This one only went 5 points because it was all weird. This is insane. This is happening over and over. I haven't heard anyone else talking about this. Have I found the magic strategy? Now it doesn't work 100% of the time, but I'm telling you, it works more than 50%, guaranteed. If I have perfect execution, this strategy is like 70%, 70, 80% win rate. This is insane. And it's 8:36 Eastern. All right, I'm going to wait for the next candle close. Okay, so it's hitting this resistance level. It went up past it a little bit. Just looking at the price action here. Well, we can remove this. It just went down here, shot way up. I got out at this wick and it went a little further. Now it's reversing. We're just looking at the structure here, and that is a big resistance level it's hitting. Yeah, it's getting rejected at this level. The support over here, resistance, resistance, and now it's coming back down. And you know, it could come all the way back down here again. It's kind of, since 12 p.m. today, kind of in a sideways range here, but this is a pretty big range. How big is this range? 25-point range. So we can just scalp 10 points off of this range. Waiting for the 9 o'clock open here. If we get a candle close below this 9, I'm shorting. And look at this. Stochastics are at the top. They're wanting to turn down. They're really wanting to turn down. The momentum, this is just, I don't trade off of this, but it's just another confluence for me. I trade off a close across the 9 EMA and sometimes in a break of trend. But this is just another confluence that momentum is looking to shift down. And I'm thinking, my idea is the 9 o'clock open could come in here and they could just slam this price down. Well, let's see what happens. Okay, we got the 9 o'clock open coming up here in about 3 minutes. You see gold, after this big push at 8:30, just been kind of consolidating sideways. We're here on the 100 tick charts. Yeah, it's not sure what it wants to do, but look at the Nasdaq has been pumping for the past, since 8:50. Nasdaq's been breaking up. So does that mean that gold wants to break up? Maybe, possibly, but I'm not going to take a long here. This is not my setup. I need a candle crossing the 9. Yeah, we're not. It's not our setup. I promised myself I'm only going to take my setup. But look at this. 1, 2, 3. Tested this level 3 times here. Good. 1, 2, 3. Sometimes I've seen gold test a level and then it just gives up and it'll just fail. I'm thinking more short, on the short side for this 9 o'clock open. I'm tempted to just kind of put a sell order of 5 micros right here, but yeah, risky. That would be risky, and it would be risky to take a long here too. I mean, Nasdaq's pump break. It went sideways and then it's pumping up, but gold's still sideways. So one trade idea is a breakout above this level and it could run, but I'm not sure. We got 1 minute to the 9 o'clock open here. Oh, it's getting rejected again. For this is like the 4th, 5th time. It's just can't get over this 4014 level right now. I'm thinking short. I'm thinking if it breaks this support, it was resistance, then it became support. If it breaks down below this, and that's the 9 EMA too, it's probably going to run down. But I would have to wait for a candle confirmation close below the 9 and preferably the VWAP as well, because VWAP can be support sometimes. But it's just going sideways, waiting for this open in 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Short side. See, I'm thinking if it's I'm short. Nope. We gotta wait. Nope. Taking A plus setup. We're to. I am so bearish. It bounced. See, it bounced off the VWAP. I am so bearish. I am so bearish. Should we take this short? I am so bearish. It's below the 9. It's trying to get below VWAP.
Order filled.
This is we didn't wait for a candle close below the 9. This is risky. This is very risky. Yeah. I should have waited for candle close confirmation. If it stops me out, that's my fault. My system says wait for candle close confirmation. Yeah, I'm not too sure about this short. We're 1 minute 30 seconds into this candle. Thinking about it. I don't know. It's thinking about it. We're well below VWAP, well below the 9. What we could just get out and wait for a candle close below the 9, but I'm so bearish. Oh boy. I'm going to tighten up my stop. I told you I'm bearish. I don't like this. Oh my gosh, it's going in my favor. Oh boy. Do I want to move my stop to break even? And just wait for the candle to close? We got another 2.5 minutes. We're only halfway into this candle. But it's definitely, hold on, it's gonna close below the 9. We can always get back in if it stops us out at break even, right? We got another coming up on another support here. Breaking through support here. I'm at break even. If it at least this is a risk-free trade. I go for 10 points. I'm going for these lows here, just above these lows. There's another low here, but let's not be greedy. Let's go for 10 points. I don't know. How far did it go so far? We've almost got 5 points. We could just take the 5 points and run, but it's going to close below the 9. Hold up. This is my strategy. Nope. It's below the 9. It's going to close below the 9. There's no way this doesn't close below the 9. Oh, now it's right at my entry point. It bounced up to my entry. Oh my gosh. I was up. We still now it's bouncing. We're below the 9. Trust your strategy. We're below the 9. It's going to close below the 9. I should have waited for the candle close below the 9. 5-point stop loss. It's below the 9. What if it doesn't close? We got 45 seconds left in this candle. It's at VWAP. Trust your strategy. Trust your strategy. It's closing below the 9. We got 30 seconds. We got 30 seconds. 20 seconds. Oh. Oh man. See, this is why I'm supposed to wait for the candle close. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and then I would have taken a short there at a much better price. 1.5. Okay, now it closed at VWAP, so that's concerning. Man, it tried to go down, but it just got bought back up, man. This is a candle close below the 9. I back tested this. It should go to my full TP. Should go to my full TP. Yeah, if we would have waited for the candle close, we would have gotten a much better entry. But I got trigger happy. Here we go. Now it's going. Man, no. We're below VWAP, man. You're supposed to go down. We're below VWAP. These buyers. Are they trying to push this price back up? No, they're failing. The buyers are failing. That's a nice big red. We're going to see a nice big red candle here. See, and then it should have been my entry. And 10 points was here. Okay, it's going. Now we need to break this level here. We need to break this. Then we're halfway through this 5-minute candle. It's looking good. We're below the 9. We're in an overall bearish trend. Man, why are we bouncing? Stop bouncing. I'm out of this at 2.5 points. If it breaks back above this, I want to be out. But this looks nice. We've got two red candles. It's at another support level. It's trying to break through it. Come on. You know you want to break through it. I feel like it wants to go back to these lows. It's thinking about it. It is this level here. Okay, we're kind of breaking through. I mean, it needs to go below there. Man, who's buying this? Stop buying. Sell gold right now, people. Come on. Sell it. This is too much. I'm out at break even. This is too stressful. I don't like these bouncies. I don't like these bounces. It needs to get below here, but it doesn't know what it wants to do. But this 5 minute, this looks beautiful. This looks like it's going to continue down. But it's just this support level is in my way here with this short. 30 seconds till this candle closes. Yeah. Yeah. Not much going on here. We got a double bottom here. It could be a possible reversal signal. This double bottom. That's why I'm out at break even. That's why I'm out. There's the candle close. Good candle close. Red. Good. I'm just going to trail this. This is really weird. I don't like it. Oh, think about getting out right now. No, it wants to go red. It wants to go red. I just tell you, people, trading is so dang stressful. Or should we just go for 5 points again? Yeah, we should have just gone for 5 points again. But if it gets to this level again, it's breaking through it. I'm telling you. What is this? What is this price action? I'm thinking about getting out, but it's like, I have a feeling as soon as I get out, it's going to drop. Every time it gets down here, someone buys it back up. Why? Oh, we're at the 4,000 level. That's why. It's a psychological level. 4,000. That's why. Oh, it's not breaking below 4,000 because that's like a mental level. Give me a break. I'm out. This is ridiculous. It's bouncing at 4,000. Everyone's looking at this level. It's a huge psychological level. And everyone's buying it at 4,000. That's what the resistance is. It's this 4,000 level. Watch, I get out and I'm going to get back in if it breaks this. And I'm only going for 5 more points. Or should I be... I don't know. This price action, I'm not liking it. I'm going to pause the video and we'll see where it goes. Yeah. So I'm glad I got out when I did because it just bounced off of that 4,000 level. And it just bounced up. We got a candle close above the 9, but I'm not going to take it because we got a huge resistance level up here. Longing into resistance is not a good idea. So, and then after 9:30, it just seems to go sideways with the China Open at 9:30 Eastern. See, look at this. This close, it only went like 5-6 points. Maybe that should have been the play. My first 2 trades, I only went for 5 points. Should have gone for 5 points on that one. But I was sure it was going to break down to this level, but it didn't. So I got out, made like $75 on that last trade. At least it wasn't a loser. But I'm happy with 545 on the day, on the night. Now it's just gonna go sideways. I'm done for the night. So there's my combine. 1,000. We got 2 more thousand to go. so we can pass this evaluation and get back into funded. Let's go. Have a blessed night. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed evening. This is the Disciple. Out.